So we come down here. He's only got how many comments? 7 comments. One's me. So I said this diss track is more trash than this channel. So I hit the video. Boom. He's got. I just gave him a link to his own channel, right? All right. Next one. Fire. They got the fire emoji. I really don't think this is fire, and I think I just used trash as the wrong word. This is beyond trash. A1 Game 1 doesn't know what he's talking about right here. But no life, no video. Your bars are so trash, I have to go dumpster diving just to find something a little better than any line in this video. Apparently he's got 3 responds. Okay. DBZ actually responded to this apparently. No life, no video. Let me know when you find it. No life, no video. At DBZ Battlecry. He's still looking. And look, he says DBZ Battlecry. I found something better than this trash. So if we click on the video, hey yo, what's good DIY guy here, coming at you with another video. And today we're going to be doing a reaction or an exposed video on an irrelevant YouTuber. But before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to both my DIY channel, because we're going to get on the road to 400 subscribers, and my gaming channel on the road to 200 subscribers. So let's go ahead and get into the video, and let me fix this so we get into here. So if I go into my comments for my diss track, right? We have K Switch Fox, DBZ Battlecry, and K Switch Jow. If I go back up, the diss track is for DBZ Battlecry, and obviously Dynamic Squad. More for Dynamic Squad than DBZ Battlecry. But so these 3 guys, they all came from one channel, DBZ Battlecry. I already have a tab open up. So he made a response video to my diss track, which would be this. As you can see, he's got 31 views, right? Well, when or if YouTube happens to, let's say, filter out the views, right? He'll go back to 13 because most of his views came from me trying to react to this, because this is the 5th time I've been trying to record this video, but then the videos ended up coming out too long because I have too much to say. So I have 5 points I want to cover. Point number 1. If you go to, well, we're already on the video. If you look at his title, he has to put my name in the title to get views. Because look, go to videos. So you got 21, 13, 11, 6, 11, 61, 12, 17. See, 21 and 61 are the 2 outliers, but this is actually like Dragon Ball. This isn't. So he's already gotten more views from this right here than some of his Dragon Ball stuff. So he's getting views for putting my name in the title. Number 2. Like, look at, like, it just went up a view because I keep watching at it, right? But let's play the video, and I'll tell you what point 2 is.
Alright, I'm chilling trying to sleep, and then my phone makes a beep. I wipe off my eyes, and to my surprise on YouTube, I then see a noob dissing my channel. Now I, DBZ Battlecry, must pick up the mantle. You got these fools sold, but in the legend I'm foretold, I'm untouchable like gold, and then you acting real bold. Man, I will leave you hung. Watch your tongue. You better watch that mouth, 'cause you are washed out. Trust me, you don't really want this bout. Sit down, rethink your life, and pout. Coming at your squad with them weak bars. I'm about to expose how bad of a rapper you are. My channel catching dust like a shelf, but will always be immortal just like an elf. I won't talk about the diss track's quality, you did it yourself. Seriously, you saved me my breath. Too bad you gotta get murdered. Well, at least after you've impressed, you better live now, because in a week or less, you will soon meet death.
As you guys can see, that was pretty bad, right? Let's bring it back because I don't want those videos popped up. So I'm pretty sure I miscounted, but number one, he had to put my name in his title to get views. Number two is that he doesn't get as much views as his channel should get. And number three is that what I just showed you, he has to rap offbeat to a freestyle. How you rap offbeat to a freestyle? I don't even know. Point number four. If you go to my video, it's got 5 dislikes, right? Probably because this video right here sent his subscribers to my channel. Like K-Switch Fox, see? He's on his channel right now and came to my channel. And this guy too, K-Switch Jow. I'm kind of over this kid, and I'm tired of recording this 5 times. But I gotta get this done so, like, this guy can, like, stop. Because I don't know why he's roasting, because his channel's trash. And last point. If you type in my name right here, like I have above, and we scroll down, we have my name is the second, and his is, or my diss track is the third. If we keep scrolling down, his is right here, right? So it's a fair bit away, right? Type in his name. I misspelled it. DBZ Battlecry. So why is my diss track higher up than his channel is? Is it because I'm more relevant than him, or is it that he's more irrelevant than me? Both ways. It puts my channel at a better advantage. Like his diss track, his own diss track. Where is it? It's down here. That's bad. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video. I mean, I don't know what else to roast him on because that enough is like the basis of what you can roast him on. So if you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new. Road to 400 subscribers. Check out my gaming channel, almost to 200 subscribers. If you guys look at the end card at the corner, you'll see my Snapchat. You guys should add me, message me and stuff. I'll interact with you guys on Snapchat. And other than that, peace out and stay God tier. Peace.